Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to prepare my ribeye steak. It's 2 in the pack. And they're in the black package. So that means it's supposed to be better than the steaks in the white package. This is the Angus Premium Choice Beef in the black package. So it's supposed to be more tender and stuff. We're gonna see. Okay, I'm gonna air fry mine. Well, Walter's gonna air fry his till he's fixing up the pan. So he can just lay the steak in the pan. Okay, let me wash my steak. I washed my air fryer basket out. So just, I think I'm gonna preheat it. Get out from the wall. Oh, this man getting on my nerves. He can't cook his steak until after mine is done.
Not necessary.
Because we can't run 2 air fryers at the same time.
That's what you think.
A little bit of mustard left. Need mustard on. I'm gonna squirt some mustard on there. Okay. This junk in the way. Okay. What you do behind me?
I ain't did nothing right.
You gonna be crying again. Always smell it. Let's rinse it off. What you looking at? I wish you would.
Wish I would.
I wish you would. Okay. Pat it dry. Y'all don't see what I'm doing. I'm patting the meat dry. Okay. Well, I can touch this because it's the last of the mustard. Ooh, I know it ain't. I have to rinse this off. Nasty stuff. Let me go get whatever seasoning I'm gonna put on mine. What am I in here for? Oh. Okay, can't find it. There it is. Mango hot. No, I don't want that. No, thank you. Not on my steak. Let me turn this off for now. I gotta find my seasoning. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna use a little bit of this hot and spicy taco seasoning mix on my steak. And the steak will not taste like taco. I'm gonna use some black pepper and some Worcestershire. I got the mustard on here already. Put the Worcestershire on here. This is the cheap Worcestershire from Walmart, the Great Value. Now, if you get the Lynn Perrins, it's darker than this. Of course, it's a better quality. Okay. Sprinkle the stuff on here, then I'm going to smush it all together. And that's a cooking term. Smush. This is what I'm using. Oh Lord, I can't open it. That means I don't need it. Regular old taco mix, because it has everything in it that I was going to put on it anyway. So see what I'm doing. I'm supposed to be preheating this. Okay.
I didn't know nothing about no preheating.
Well, I never used to preheat until I got this. You use that, you don't use all that other stuff you use. Steak, so I don't know how long this should cook. So whenever you use your air fryer and you're not sure, just put it in there, turn it on, and watch your food. That's all. Watch it if you cook it in the oven. I don't flip and flop my stuff no more. Walter's using his grill mates. What is it? Mesquite you're using? Brazilian steakhouse. Marinade mix. He's putting that on his steak. That's what what's her name? Brenda. She just sent him some stuff too. Wasn't that nice? It's seasoning, Walter. You're overdoing it. Okay. All right. Tired of waiting for it to preheat, so I'm putting my steak in there. Still got to touch it. I'm trying to put it in there so I didn't have to touch it, and I still got to touch it. Just clean my hands. Okay, so a big steak, ain't it? Wow. Well, it cost enough. I wish I had got them steaks that were on sale. What was that, last Monday? Okay, y'all, I'm not going to spray it with no oil. Okay, so I'm putting it in there. And I'm going to set it for the steak season. I'm turning that off. Oh, it's going to take longer than 6 minutes for my steak. Let me see. I'm going to set it
I would set it
for
12 minutes.
Yeah, I'm set it for 12 minutes for
6
medium
on one
well.
side, 6 on the other.
I'm not gonna flip it. I told you that. Don't tell me. Now I know my air fryer. You trying to tell me how to air fry? Here's Walter. He fixing up his steak. He got butter on it and all kinds of little seasonings. Plus the grill mates stuff. Lord have mercy. You didn't need nothing else. Okay, y'all. I decided to put some potato wedges in here. Right alongside the steak. On the side. I'm just going to continue cooking. Okay. I should have vacuum sealed this right now. I'm just going to put a clip on it. I'll be back. This is how it looks. See, meat makes its own oil. And the potato wedges, I didn't spritz them at all. So I'm about to put it on my plate. I got ketchup to the side for the potatoes. This is a huge steak, y'all. My goodness. I think I paid $30 for this in the restaurant. I'm going to show y'all. This is the other side of it. You know, it browns. I didn't flip it at all. I'm going to cut it. Make sure it's like I want it. I'm supposed to let it rest, but I ain't got time for that. That's good. Perfect. Let's cut over here. Very good. And put potatoes in here. It's hard for me to get the basket out because I got fingernails. No grease. Made grease in here and I didn't spritz nothing on it. Let me get a spatula. I have to save some of this for later because this is a huge steak. And I start to have salad with it. I don't want no salad. I'm going to plug this cord over here because Walter has been known to turn this air fryer on and it's sitting on my cord. Okay, I'm going to take this. I'm going to put some sauce on it. Let me get the sauce. And I'm going to taste it for you. Guess I'll taste it without the sauce first. Cut this little. See, it's nice and juicy. I didn't flip it at all. Tender. Taco seasoning is good. Put the sauce on it. So this is our anniversary dinner. This man don't ever want to go nowhere. If I had went out to get something, he wanted me to get it to go. This is my dinner. My 41st anniversary dinner. Okay. I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Okay, bye.